Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a bass line on the Subtractor. So now I've just opened Reason and programmed the bass line in using the Subtractor. There's the Subtractor there in the rack, and just get rid of this. How'd you get rid of that? I don't know. There. And I've got this little ditty that I've made up there at 124 BPM. Now that's looping around. That is an initialized patch on the Subtractor, or as it's called now, a reset device. Just one oscillator at present. Turn that down a little bit. Yeah, so just one oscillator. I will select the second oscillator as well. So now we have two sawtooths, and I will take one down an octave. I'm basically just turned onto multiplication for the phase offset and moved the amount up. Basically what I'm doing now is really just going by ear. I'll probably change the second oscillator waveform to a different one. I like that one. What I failed to say is I should turn down the filter envelope and the filter frequency here. I don't know why they're up automatically when you open the Subtractor, even with the reset device. Turn that down to low pass 24. Turn the resonance up on the amp envelope a little bit. Turn the amount up on the filter envelope a touch. Give it a bit more acidy feel. I've also put the multiplication on the phase offset on oscillator 1 as well. And now I'll detune the scent by about 10 places each. Turn the cutoff down a little bit more. Check. I'm just going to have a little play with the resonance here on the filter. That sounds not too bad. Try it again at 75, try it off. Not sure if I like it just as is, or turn the... Yeah, I think a little bit of resonance up there is nice. I might try with the experimenting with the different wave, the different waveform on the first oscillator too. And I think I like it on sawtooth. And that's basically it. And that's basically it. How to make a bass line, obviously for a dance track of some nature. Thank you for watching.